Can you predict the output of this program? If you have followed the earlier tutorials in this section, it's pretty easy to predict the output of this program. Now, just as a help of this quiz, I'm just giving you some hints. Now, if you have if you have equality testing operators, something like this, then obviously it's left to right associative. That means whatever we have written on the left hand side, that is going to be evaluated first, then the right hand side is going to be evaluated next. So equality testing operator as well as all the other relational operators are actually left to right associative. Therefore, if you are considering this particular section, then these are the inner section, and this particular printf is going to be executed first, and on printing this hello into the console, this printf is going to return 5 because hello contains 5 characters, and then this particular printf is going to this particular printf is going to work and it's going to print hello into the console. Again, it's going to return 5. Now this outer printf is going to be called with 5 equals to 5 in this particular section. Now 5 is equals to 5, that's true. So this particular section is going to return 1. So the outer printf, that means this one, is going to print 1. So for this statement, this particular printf statement, what you are going to get is hello, and then 1. Now can you guess what the second printf statement given in line number 7 is going to provide? Okay, that's a task. Do that by yourself theoretically, then write the program and execute the program and see whether what you have guessed is correct or not.